Hi friends, it's time for circle time. So for circle time, I want to do a finger play. And then after we do the finger play, we're going to talk about second step. Okay? So our finger play for today, you're going to need your 5 fingers. Can you get your 5 fingers out? Okay. Here's how it goes. I'm going to read it so I get it right. Okay, so there's 5 little seeds sitting in a row. Can you do this? We're going to plant them now to watch them grow. Can you push your fingers in as you plant them? And we plant 1 seed, 2 seed, 3 seed, 4th seed, and the 5th seed. So now they're all planted in the dirt. Okay. Up pops the first flower, big and round. Boop. Here comes the second flower out of the ground. Boop. Here comes the third one. Is tall, reaches for the sun. Boop. Here's the fourth. They're nearly done. Doop. And here's the fifth. Tiny and strong. 5 happy flowers growing all season long. Can you wiggle your fingers like this? Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Okay? Here's our 5. Alrighty. 5 little seeds sitting in a row. Plant them to watch them grow. Up pops the first one, big and round. Here comes the second one, up out of the ground. Here's the third one, is tall, reaching for the sun. Here's the fourth one, they're nearly all done. Here's the fifth one, tiny and strong. Happy flowers growing all season long. Excellent. Alrighty, well today for our second step, we have a story. So here is our story, and we have Nora here, and we have Taki, okay? Now, we've been learning about saying what the problem is. And remember our puppet Mei Ling last week? She couldn't find her blanket, and so she stated what the problem was, and I was able to help her find it. So let's see what happens here. Let's see. Is there a problem in this picture? Can you tell by Nora's body how her arms are on her waist? And she kind of has that. So I'm thinking she has a problem. Yep. She has an angry body. So Nora says, I want to play with it. And she wants to grab the dump truck away from Taki. Taki says, no, I got it first. He holds on to the dump truck tight. Is grabbing a toy away from a friend, is that a safe thing to do? Nope, it's not. Are the children having strong feelings? They are. Both children need to calm down so they can think about the problem. So to calm down, we put our hands on our tummy. We take a big belly breath. We name our feelings. And then we're able to tell what the problem is. So the first step for solving problems is to use your words. Okay? Think about what to say and what the problem is. The problem is that both children want to play with the dump truck at the same time. That's the problem. Well, pretend you are Nora and Taki and think of some safe ways to solve this problem. How could Nora and Taki solve this problem? They both want to play with the dump truck at the same time. How could we solve that problem? Well, you're right. There are some fair ways to play. There is sharing, there is taking turns, and there is playing together. So sharing is when you play with it first. And no, that's taking turns. Taking turns is when you play with it first, and then another person plays with it after. Okay, so you're taking turns with it. So maybe she had a shovel and she could use the shovel, and he could play with the dump truck, and then they can swap and take turns, and then he can use the shovel and she can play with the dump truck. That's one. Sharing is when you just give the other person the toy and you find something else to do. And so he could just share it with her, and let her play with it for a while. Or you can play together. So playing together, say she had a shovel. Maybe she could use the shovel to pick up the dirt and put it in the dump truck, while Taki takes the dump truck and dumps the dirt somewhere else. That's playing together. Then Taki could put some dirt inside the dump truck, and Nora could take the truck somewhere else and dump the dirt. And then they would be playing with the dump truck together. So there's always a way to solve our problems. When we have a problem and are having strong feelings, first we need to calm down, and then we need to say what the problem is. And that is the first way we can solve our problem. We'll talk about another way, the next step of solving problems next time. Okay, bye friends.